One, oh, it's the same one, I think. It's G Wary and D-Bod doing tutorials. Hey, pilots, tutorials are fun. I'm pretty sure attach the camera here in a second. I'll see if he takes off again first. Oh my goodness, good agony. Well, he doesn't know, he might not. If he does, I'll go, oh no, go upload the video. Actually, I probably wouldn't want a video like a nice thing on camera, actually. Something. Anyway, he's going to do it again. Please take off again so you can do it again. I think he's slowing down now, I think. Oh no, he's doing it, or is he turning off? It's hard to tell. I might get my camera out in a minute, my camcorder. I think he's turning off, I think. Yeah, I think he's turning off. I'll test the camera anyway, just for fun. Yay!